Hello everyone, my name is Sohail. I'm a vetted ClickUp consultant. I also own and operate a workflow consultancy business. In today's video, my focus is to show how subcontractors reporting can be obtained by using the guest feature in ClickUp. Subcontracting for me comes with some benefits, and also it does come with a lot of concerns. Concerns like the subcontracted work finishing on time in a timely manner, it's meeting the expectation outcomes, it's done in a budget, within the budget, and also you don't lose control over the subcontractor work completely. Subcontractors may have their own communicating and reporting systems, like they might have Excels and emails sent out to you to send out updates of the project or of the subcontracted work, but that might not align with the project reporting and communicating need with your workflow. So how do we fill this gap? How can this be made more efficient? How this communication and reporting can be more optimized and made more efficient? Wouldn't it be nice to have a common platform where you have your workflows and the subcontractors are given access to a particular task within the project wherever they are subcontracted, and then you define the rules by which they update those tasks being subcontracted to them. Okay, so to put that in perspective, if you are looking at the screen, or if you can please look at the screen, this is a simple workflow in ClickUp, and I just made this simple example for this video. It has a lot of subtasks or tasks to complete this project, and let's say this design task is the only task I want to subcontract out of all the tasks needed to complete this project successfully. So if you look at design, it has various subtasks being defined, or phases or deliverables or things or to do things within the task. It's the subtasks are like design meeting, concept, first draft presentation, design review meeting, second draft presentation, final review, mockup. Each of the subtask has an estimated hours. It has a due date, so the design task, the entire task has to be finished within a week, next week Monday to 14th of Feb, and then individual subtasks have been given the due dates. Now let's say we decided to subtask or subcontract this particular task within the entire project, and we don't want the subcontractors to have access to rest of the tasks within the project. I just go into this task, and then I have an option of sharing this, and then I already have a guest account which we'll use as a subcontractors, or we'll assume that guest account as being used for today's example as a subcontractor. So let's say this Sohail is a subcontractor, and then we want to assign this or share this task. First is to share and then to assign. So first let's right now you can see it's only one person. Let's go ahead and do this. And once I click that, there are different levels of access. Full level is where you can edit and delete the task. Edit is edit can edit but can't delete the task. Comment can comment. Assign is can change task status, and set assignees view only, read only, can't comment or edit tasks. So let's say we just give this edit access. Okay, so by doing so, you have shared this task with this subcontractor, or in this case it's just my guest account, and I'm pretty sure you want to see how it looks in my in how it would look to the subcontractor or the guest in their account. So this is a guest account here, and then if you click this, so it will shared with me, shared task. So now remember this lighter background or this white background is an guest account which you are looking at. So now you can see that design task came to my guest account as it's been shared with me. Now you can see it's not assigned here, and let's go back to the account here, and let's assign this now. So as soon as it's done, you can see that in this account it's been assigned. So just like your team member, a task has been assigned, and then rest of the parameters have been set, like a time estimate, status, due dates, and it also has the subtasks in here. So what happened here is you have a project, then you have a workflow within the project, you have tasks and subtasks. Out of that, you have decided to take a task and subcontract it. You have given a guest access to a subcontractor and define the rules by which they update this task from their guest account. And you have set parameters like having due dates, having time estimates, and having the actual time entries. This helps in addressing the subcontracting concerns which I spoke about earlier, like the subcontractor work finishing in a timely manner, it's meeting the outcome expectations, things keeping in budget, and you are not losing control over the works or the subcontracted works being performed. So I try to keep this video short. Obviously there are a lot of other features within ClickUp, but my aim is to showcase so that there can be a understanding of the capabilities of for having the right tech tool plus a digital workflow, how it can optimize and make you more efficient. In this case, in today's video is more about how you can have that communication and reporting and that relationship going with your subcontractors or external parties